Hey guys, how's everyone doing today on this beautiful Saturday? All right, so today is the 21st, and it's a wonderful thing because the more you gain from sharing. We heard other alcoholics, frankly, then they ask you. This is my commitment, passing it along and hopefully someone. Hopefully I'm getting the Brighton. See what's going on over there. Hey guys, bear with me, bear with me. It's on, it's on. A little ride. It's supposed to hit like 90 today, so I figure early, the later it got. There's some nice Russian spots. Yana Grill. You can't wait to get on the beach.